بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذاريات ذروا فالحاملات وقرا فالجاريات يسرا فالمقسمات أمرا إنما توعدون لصادق وإن الدين لواقع والسماء ذات الحبك إنكم لفي قول مختلف يؤفك عنه من أفك قتل الخراصون الذين هم في غمرة ساهون يسألون أيان يوم الدين يوم هم على النار يفتنون ذوقوا فتنتكم هذا الذي كنتم به تستعجلون.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the winds that scatter dust, and the clouds that bear the heavy weight of water, and the ships that float with ease and gentleness, and those angels who distribute by command. Surely that which you are promised is true, and surely the recompense is certain to happen by the heavens full of paths. Certainly you dispute amongst yourselves. Turned aside from it are the deviators. Cursed be the liars, who are under the cover of heedlessness. They ask, when will be the day of recompense? It will be a day when they will be tried over the fire. So taste your trial. This is what you used to ask to be brought to you.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون آخذين ما آتاهم ربهم إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك محسنين كانوا قليلا من الليل ما يهجعون وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون وفي أموالهم حق للسائل والمحروم وفي الأرض آيات للموقنين وفي أنفسكم أفلا تبصرون وفي السماء رزقكم وما توعدون فورب السماء والأرض إنه لحق مثل ما أنكم تنطقون.
Surely the pious will be in the midst of gardens and springs, taking joy in the things which their Lord has given them. Before they were the doers of good. They used to sleep only a little at night, and in the hours before dawn they were to be found asking Allah for forgiveness. And in their properties there was the right of the beggar and the poor who do not ask of others. And on the earth are signs for those who have faith with certainty, and also in yourselves. Will you not then see? And in the heaven is your provision, and that which you are promised. Then by the Lord of the heavens and the earth, it is the truth, just as it is the truth that you can speak.
هل أتاك حديث ضيف إبراهيم المكرمين إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال سلام قوم منكرون فراغ إلى أهله فجاء بعجل سمين فقربه إليهم قال ألا تأكلون فأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف وبشروه بغلام عليم فأقبلت امرأته في صرة فصكت وجهها وقالت عجوز عقيم قالوا كذلك قال ربك إنه هو الحكيم العليم.
Has the story reached you of the honored guests of Abraham? When they came to him and said, Peace be upon you, he answered, Peace be upon you, and said, You are a people not known to me. Then he turned to his household and brought out a roasted calf, and placed it before them, saying, Will you not eat? Then he conceived a fear of them when they did not eat. They said, Do not fear. And they gave him glad tidings of a knowledgeable son. Then his wife came forward with a loud voice. She struck her forehead and said, "A barren old woman." They said, "So says your Lord. Surely he is the all-wise, the all-knower."
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
Abraham said, "Then for what purpose have you come, O messengers?" They said, "We have been sent to a people who are sinners, to send down upon them stones of baked clay, marked by your Lord for those who trespass Allah's set limits." So we brought out from them the believers. But we did not find there any household of Muslims except one, and we have left there a sign for those who fear the painful torment.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
And in Moses too there is a lesson, when we sent him to Pharaoh with a manifest authority. But Pharaoh turned away along with his hosts and said, "A sorcerer, or one possessed." So we took him and his hosts and hurled them into the sea, and he was to be blamed.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
And in Ad there is also a sign, when we sent against them the barren wind. It spared nothing that it reached, but blew it into dust and rotten ruins. And in Thamud there is also a sign, when they were told, "Enjoy yourselves for a while." But they insolently defied the command of their Lord, so the lightning overtook them while they were looking. They were unable to rise up, and nor could they help themselves.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون ومن كل شيء خلقنا زوجين لعلكم تذكرون.
And so were the people of Noah before them. Surely they were a people who were rebellious and disobedient to Allah. With power and might we constructed the heavens. Surely we are able to extend the vastness of space. And we have spread out the earth, and how excellently have we spread it out. And of everything we have created pairs, that you may remember the grace of Allah.
ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا ساحر أو مجنون أتواصوا به بل هم قوم طاغون فتول عنهم فما أنت بملوم وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
So flee to Allah. Surely I, Muhammad, am a plain warner to you from him. And do not set up or worship any other god along with Allah. Surely I, Muhammad, am a plain warner to you from him. Likewise, no messenger came to those before them, but they said, "A sorcerer, or one possessed." Have they handed down this saying to them? No, they themselves are a people transgressing beyond all bounds in disbelief. So turn away from them, O Muhammad. You are not to blame. And remind them, for surely the reminding benefits the believers.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون إن الله هو الرزاق ذو القوة المتين فإن للذين ظلموا ذنوبا مثل ذنوب أصحابهم فلا يستعجلون فويل للذين كفروا من يومهم الذي يوعدون.
And I did not create jinn and mankind except that they should worship me alone. I do not seek any provision from them, nor do I ask that they should feed me. Surely Allah is the all-provider, owner of all power, the most strong. And surely for those who do wrong there is a portion of torment, like the evil portion of torment which came to their predecessors of old. So do not let them ask me to bring it to them. Then woe to those who disbelieve from that day which they have been promised.
صدق الله